this is Gary. Looks like I got everything up and running on that powder coating system. Hey, flip around here. Flip. See, I got the oven fired up. Got it set for 250. We did a burn off in there. I'm gonna raise it on up to 425 or 375. Looks like it's a 342 now. $375. It's all purged out, it's running. Actually running pretty good. I got a rack built now. We're coating some frames. Went and bought this Chinese spray gun. Got the spray booth all running. This is really our first big job we've done on it. We've done some little jobs in my small oven. But I've had great success with this spray gun so far. It's got flat coat, corners, and double coat. Pulling it out of this little container right down here. See the powder being filtered. Still running the filters that I got with it. They're really junk. But I had to replace the blower motor on it. It was bad. So I got a new blower motor. These are the square out filters. They're junk too, but that's all I got for now. I'm going to use them. Yeah, this shop's turning out okay. I installed a fan back here in the back to get some air to move through here. As you can see, it's working great. Got a good coat on that. I built that frame to hold the coating machine in. But he's still playing around with some controls on it. But yeah, my little oven's working good too. Lights on, fan. Seems even got a filter cleaner on it, but I haven't got that hooked up yet. Yeah, but my oven's working great. Got a little inspection door here so you can see the flame. Flame in there. Looks like it's already about up to temp. This is an 8x8 oven. 8x8 spray booth. Do another video when we're pulling them out. Alright, I've had my parts in there about 20 minutes. We'll go ahead and shut the oven down. Shut one of these down. Anything you want to do will shut it down. First thing I like to do is just go ahead and shut off the burner. See, it's up to 434 degrees, so everything's off. Just leave it recirculating for a little bit. That green powder I've got, it won't hardly burn. You can't hardly burn it. So, you know, if I let it heat up a little bit more, it won't hurt it. I'll be pulling them out in a few minutes. I'll do another video. I just got the doors open. I'm up here by myself. I'm getting ready to pull them out. You can see that's what they look like. They have to cool off. I'm gonna pull them out right now. Here they are out. I don't know if you can see the glare. Yeah, they got a real nice gloss to them. like I had pretty good success. Man, they are hot. Shoot them with my temperature gauge here. .320. Sign off. Thanks for watching.